How's it guys and girls? Tonight I'm on my way to meet up with one of my friends, Stefan, and I'm very excited about tonight's hunt because we are going to shoot Egyptian geese on a property that has a overpopulation of these geese, and they're actually causing so much damage on the property that we need to take control of their numbers. So for tonight I've decided to use my trusty old Daystate Red Wolf Safari, and it's most probably the best air rifle in my opinion that Daystate has ever produced. So I'm also going to shoot the H&N 27 grain slugs at around 930 feet per second, so they are going to shoot fairly flat. And on top of the rifle we've got the PARD DS35-70 with the laser rangefinder. And what makes this package very exciting is the fact that it has a built-in ballistics calculator, so all my information is already filled into the rifle or the scope. So by ranging the target, I know exactly where to hold to take those long shots. On my friend Stefan's rifle, which I will give a little bit more information in just a bit, he's also going to run a PARD clip-on his scope, and we'll be able to record all these shots as well, which is going to make it very interesting as well to see all the shots he's going to take on his side. So I would really like to show you guys a bit more of where we are going to shoot tonight, but unfortunately because of the rules I am unable to do so. So for the guys that do pick it up, just a quick disclaimer, please do not go try and shoot or hunt on the places where we are going to shoot and hunt tonight. If you don't have the right permits and documentations to do so, you can actually get into big trouble and actually get locked up for it. So luckily for me, my friend Stefan, he's doing this for a living, and he basically has all the right documentation and permits in place to do so we can just go out tonight and enjoy ourselves. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sit back, relax and enjoy. On arrival it's a quick meet and greet, then getting the rifles ready so we don't waste too much time. Just a quick look at Stefan's setup. He's using a custom Artemis M22 with a Hawk sidewinder scope and a PARD 007A attachment. His rifle is shooting the JSP 18 grain pellets at around 960 feet per second. A few minutes in, we spot a couple of Egyptian geese and I take it down with a clean spine shot. Stefan never shot an electronic air rifle before, and I let him take the next shot with the Red Wolf Safari, and he took a cracking shot at 60 meters. I'm going to stop the commentary here so you can enjoy each shot as we take these Egyptian geese down.
Alleen wat zijn kop af is myne. 1, 2. Oh, well done. Okay.
Okay, so me and Stefan actually came upon a big flock here, and they were actually very calm, and we got some amazing shots on them, a couple of double shots, and as they started moving, I decided to take a couple on my side, and Stefan also decided to take a couple on his side. So we have one here. Let's have a look how many we got eventually. I think there should be 4 if I'm not mistaken. So we got another one here. Really a nice shot. This one is also dead, completely dead. So really nice shot. I think this one may be Stefan's, but it's difficult to say. We'll have to see on the footage of the cameras. But I'm very happy with what we got. I see we've got one here as well. This one is also down for the count, and this one looks very fat. Nice fat big one. And we have the last one right here. Really nice shot. So as you guys have seen so far, these Egyptian geese are really a problem on this property that we are shooting at. So this is the reason why we take them down and try to lower their numbers. But I must say, with the equipment that we are using, it really makes it a blast to be out here and do what we do tonight. So let's see if we can get some more.
3. So maak je ook. Die gaat mooi breed.
Okay guys and girls, we're going to call it a wrap for tonight. As you guys can see, I think it was a really successful night out here taking down these Egyptian geese. First of all, I just want to say thank you to Stefan for inviting me to come out here and enjoy the night with him. I think his gun also did a really nice job with those 19 or 18 grain JSB pellets, and again we saw that the slugs out of the air rifles are way more forgiving obviously than with the pellets, but shot placements are key on these Egyptian geese. If you have good shot placement on them, I think you can get them down each time you pull the trigger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Cheers guys.